Hello, my dear students. This is Raman Rana here, your mathematics teacher, Cambridge International School, Dasua. Today, I will discuss with you the questions, homework questions first, and we will pursue with exercise 12.2. Number 11. Question number 11 says that a car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. So we have two blades. So like in our cars, and the angle length of the blade is given 25 centimeter and the angle swept, this angle here is given 150 degree. So, and we have two blades, two wipers. So the area will be twice of this sector because two blades we have. So how to find the area? Solution. We have two blades. Angle is 115 upon 360 pi 22 upon 7 and r square is 25 into 25. So here start with, to get cancelled with 180, again 290, 5 5 is 25, 5. So we have left here with 115 into 11 into 125 upon 126. So here we have 115, we have 5, 6, 2 and 1. Now we can go ahead with the multiplication. 2, 6, 5 and 125. 5 5 is 25, 30, 32, 3 carry, 13, 1 and 6. 5 is 5 plus 1, 6. So here 0, 12, 13, 4, 5 and 2. At last we have 1, 2, 6, 5. So here we have 5, 2 and 11, 18, 5, then 1. Right. So here we have the 158125 divided by 126 centimeter square. Area is always in the square. So this is the area for the two such wipers, two blades which sweep, the area at each sweep of the. So there is 158125 divided by 126 centimeter square. Number 13. A round table cover has 6 equal designs. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, then find the cost of making the design at the rate of Rs 0.35 per centimeter square. And it is given the question that use pi is equal to 1.7. So we want to find the cost of designing these 6 equal these segments. So one very easy way in this solution, here we know these all designs, they are congruent. So these all 6 sides, they are of equal length. So the figure here, this is a regular hexagon, and we got 6 congruent triangles, and in such a way that each triangle is equilateral, and we know in an equilateral triangle all these 1 2 3 4 5 6 all angles are 60 degree. So we know the area of equilateral triangle is under root 3 upon 4 into side whole square. Side here is 28 centimeter. So first of all, we have to find the area of all these 6 segments, and then we have to multiply that area with 0.35. So we will find the area, the required shaded area. The shaded area is equal to, that is the area of the, that is pi r square minus 6 times the area of equilateral triangle, that is under root 3 upon 4. Here side is r whole square. So we will get the area, and after finding this area we will multiply with the rate, the cost that is given. So here r square is common. It is given here that r is 28 centimeter. So our calculation, the area is equal to r square, that is 28 square. Again I am taking common, and here I have pi is 22 upon 7 minus, we can cut here, this is 2 and 3. R is already common here, so we have 3 under root 3 value, we can take 1.7 divided by 2 here. So I hope you are clear that r square I am taking common, r is 28. So now let's shift here. This 28 into 28, LCM is 14. So here that is 44 minus 22 into, and here when we multiply, that is 5.1. 44 minus 5.1. Now 28 into 28, 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, and 28 into 2 is 56, and here when we subtract 44, that is 20, we have not gone for the multiplication here, that is 7. So here we have 44 minus, that is 44 minus 7 ones are 7, 35. So let's multiply here. First subtract 44 minus 35.7. So here we have 3, 8. So we have 56 multiplied by 8.3. So here 56, this is a rough work here, 56 multiplied by, so we have 18 16, 24, 42. So we have 8, 0, 4, yes. So we have 4, 4, 0.8. So here, let's again check. We have LCM is 14, 44 minus 17, 3s are 51. So when we multiply with 7 here, 35.7, and after subtraction we got 8.3, 56 into 8.3. Here we have 18, 1 carry, 16, 24, 2, 8, 40, wait here. 8 6 are 48 here. 8 6 are 48 and 40 it is 44. 44, so we have 8. Here we have a 14, 1 carry, and it is 6. So we have decimal here. So we have the 464.8 centimeter square. So area of this shaded region is 464.8 centimeter square. Now we want to find the cost. So the rate is given. So cost here, so cost is equal to 0.35 multiplied by 464.8. So again multiply here, that is 4648 multiply by 35. Here we have 40, 24, 32, 23 and 24, 14, 19, 13. So we have 8, 6, so decimal is here because 3 decimal positions. So we have our cost, that is 162.68 rupees. So this is the cost. So the cost, the required cost here for the design at the rate of 0.35 per centimeter square is 162.68 rupees. Let me again recapitulate the question. Very important question. Most of the time this question is of 4 marks. So I have applied the concept here of equilateral triangle. This design here is a regular hexagon and all these 6 triangles are equilateral. Area of one equilateral triangle is under root 3 upon 4 inside square. So here side of this triangle is 28 centimeter, and from the complete area, that is pi r square minus area of 6 these such equilateral triangles. So shaded area is equal to area of the circle minus these 6 equilateral triangles. So after subtracting the area of these 6 triangles from the area of the circle, we are taking r square common, and after going for the LCM, here LCM is 14, 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, and here after LCM here it is 44, and here 51 into 7 is 35.7. So after subtraction here it is 8.3, and after multiplication here we are getting 464.8 centimeter square, that shaded area. And after finding the area, just to find the cost, multiply with 0.35. So after this multiplication we are getting the cost. Next question is question number 14. Area of the sector of angle P. If in degrees the angle is P of a circle with the radius capital R. We have the four options. This question is asked most of the time in the exam, 1 mark question in MCQ form. So here, first one is P upon 180 into 2 pi r. B is P upon 180 into pi r square, P upon 360 into 2 pi r, and P upon 720 into 2 pi r. So first of all, we should be very clear with area. Perimeter is 2 pi r and area is pi r square. But we are talking about sector. So the formula here which we have studied is theta upon 360 into pi r square. So here area A and C option cannot be, because here this is about the circumference, the length of the arc. So from B and D, again we have to decide. Here is 180 and here we have 720. So most of the students, they are going with this one, 360 degree, because 360 as in the formula. But here 2 ones are 2, this is 360. So we have the formula that P upon 360 into pi r square. So D is the right option. Dear students, this question is asked most of the time in the exams. So D is the right option. Question number 2. Find the area of the quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Now here radius is not given. From circumference we have to find the radius, and then we can find the area of quadrant. Quadrant, we know if this is a circle, in a circle the 1/4, this part, when this is the quadrant. So area of the quadrant is always pi r square divided by 4, because here 90 upon 360 is into pi r square, So here the circumference C is equal to 22 centimeter. The circumference of the circle is 22 centimeter. So here we have 2 pi is 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 22 given. So here 22 get cancelled with 22 and r is equal to 7 upon 2 centimeter, or which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So we have find the value of r here. R is 3.5 centimeter. So we can put the value of r, that area of a quadrant is equal to pi r square divided by 4. So here we have pi 22 upon 7, r is 3.5 into 3.5 and into 4 divided by 4, pi r square divided by 4, because here we have gone through 90 upon 360, that is 1 by 4 here. So 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35, 4 with 2, 11, and we can write here 5.5 into 3.5, 0.5 into 11 is 5.5 divided by 2. So here we have, go for the multiplication, 3 5 with 3 5, 5 5s are 25, 175, 175. So we have 5, 12, 9. So 1925 divided by 2. Decimal is here. So the area of the quadrant in this case is equal to 9 2s are 18, decimal 6, and 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10 centimeter square. So the area of the quadrant is 9.625 centimeter square. So dear students, whenever the area of the quadrant is asked, we will go directly for pi r square divided by 4. No need to go for 90 or theta upon 360, because in quadrant angle is always 90 degree. So I hope you are clear with the area of the quadrant. Question number 4. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding first minor segment and second part is major sector. Question is easy, but here first part is the segment and the second part is sector. Sometimes students, they find minor segment and major segment. So look the question very carefully. So here if we have one circle, so in this circle the radius is 10 centimeter. Radius is 10 centimeter and the angle subtended here, this angle subtended by the two rays, that is 90 degree. This is also 10 centimeter here. Now this is A, this is B here, join A with B. We want the area of the major sector. First, my area of minor segment. The shaded area here, this area is the minor segment. So we know the way how to find the area of the minor segment. Area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Here this is the right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, the area of a right angle triangle is half into base into height. Half into base into height. For this triangle AOB, base and height both are 10 and 10. So its area is half into 10 into 10 is 50 centimeters square. So in the solution here, area of the segment, that area of the segment is equal to area of the sector. Here it is a quadrant. Area of quadrant is pi r square divided by 4 minus half into 10 into 10. So substitute the value of pi 3. We have the area 3.14 into 10 into 10 divided by 4. 4 we can write down 2 into 2, that is 4. And here this is 50. So here again this is 5. So we have 3.14 into 25 minus 50. So here, which is further equal to 25 into 4, 100, 25 ones are 25, 10 is the carry, so 35 3, 75, let me 3.14 into 25, 20, 7 and 15, 8, 2, 6. So we have 0, 5, that is 8 and 7. So here it is 78.50 minus 50. So area of the minor segment is equal to 28.50 centimeter square. So this is the first part, area of the segment. Area of segment, that is minor segment, is 28.50 centimeter square. Now the second part is major sector. To find the area of the major sector, here we have to calculate this angle. This angle is now 360 minus 90, so that is 270 degree. So the area of the major sector is equal to, that is theta is 270 degree and 360 into pi r square. Pi is 3.14, r is 10 into 10. So here 9 with 9 we have 0 with 0 and 3 by 4 into, again this 4 we have 5. So we have the calculation which is 3.14 into 25. So here the area is 3/4 and 3 is also here we have. So final calculation we have 3.14 into 75. This 3, okay, 5 into 5, 25 and 3.14. The value of pi is 3.14. So we have to go for one more calculation, that is 314 into 75. So here 20, so 7 and 15, 28, 9 and here it is 21. So we have 0, 5 and here we have 1 carry 5 and here is 3, 2. So the final answer is 235.50 centimeter square. So this is the area of the major sector and this is the area of the minor segment. So question is very simple, but it is an important one. Students sometimes don't read the question very carefully. They are finding minor segment and major segment. So read the question very carefully. This is all about question number 4. Question number 6. A chord of a radius 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the area of a corresponding minor and major segment of the circle. And here use pi, the value of pi 3.14 and under root 3 value is equal to 1.73. So here solution. If we have a circle, in this circle the radius of the circle is 15 centimeter and the angle subtended at the center is 60 degree. If this angle is 60 degree, at this point center A, B and this is the chord, AB is the chord. So radius 15 centimeter, this is also 15 centimeter. So this triangle is isosceles triangle. These two angles are supposed to be of equal angles, and if this is x, we have already discussed with that 60 plus x is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. If this angle is 60 degree and the radius both sides are equal, means angle A and angle B should be of same measure. So twice of x is 120. So this implies that x is also of 60 degree. Hence, triangle AOB is an equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle is always under root 3 upon 4. Here the side is 15 whole square. So first we want to find the area of the minor segment. The first area of a minor segment, first part, that is equal to area of the sector. So area of the sector is 60 upon 360 into pi r square. Pi is 3.14. R here is 15 into 15 minus theta upon 360 into pi r square. That is area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Area of triangle is under root 3. Put the value of under root 3, 1.73 upon 4 into 15 into 15. So take 15 into 15 common. Here this is 6. So 15 into 15 common. So here we have 3.14 upon 6 minus 1.73 upon 4. I have taken 15 common. So here LCM is 15 into 15 and LCM is 12. So even we can go for the division with 12. Let's first go for the bracket first. That 2, that is 6.28, and here with 3. So 3 3s are 9, 21, 2 carry 5.19. So here 3 3s are 9, 21, 2 carry 3 1s are 3 5. Now even 12 with 3 5s are 15, and here 3 4s are 12. So next we can 15 into 5, 75, and here we have 6.28 minus 5.19. So 18 minus 9 is 9, and here we have 1 carry, 1 minus 1 is 0, and here we have 6 minus 1 is, so we have 4. So when we divide, next we have 75 into 0.42 are 10, 2 carry 7s are 28, 1 again with 2, 8, 2 carry 5. Now we have to multiply. Let's multiply here. That 2 7, this area is further with 75. Here we have 5 5s are 25, 10, 12, 35, 36, 3 carry, and 10, 13, again with 7 5s are 35, 14, 17, 1 carry, 49, 155, 9. So here we have 5, 7, 13, 4, 0 and 2. 5, 7, 13, 0 and 2. So our answer here, the required area is equal to, decimal is after 4 decimal, 20.4375 centimeter square. So first part is very clear, that the area of the minor segment. This is the minor segment. This area is 20.4375 centimeter square. Now to find the area of major segment. The area of major segment is the area of the complete circle minus area of the minor segment. So the second part, area of major segment is equal to area of the circle minus area of the minor segment, that is 20.4375. So pi r square, we have to take pi here 3.14. So here 3.14 into 15 is 225 minus 20.4375. So let's multiply again. 314 multiplied by 225. So here 27, 5 ones are 5, 7, and it is 15, 2, 8. It is 2, and here it is 6. So again 8 to 6 we have 0, 15, and here we have 7 and 8 again. 15 plus 1, 16, and 1 carry, 8, 9, 10, and here it is 7. So we have this area of a circle is 706.50 minus 20.4375. So the area is, if we have to subtract, that is 20.4375, we have 25 here, and 9, it is 6, 0, and here it is 6, and 10, it is 8, 6. So 686.0625 centimeter square. So this is all about these questions. My dear students, the calculation is very important. So don't cram the calculations, just go yourself. I have gone through these calculations so that you should learn how to go for the calculations. The calculations are very important for your chapter number 12 and chapter number 13. And when specifically they are saying use pi, then you will use 3.14. Otherwise, if it is not stated, use the value of pi 22/7. So in this exercise 12.2, we have left with question number 8, 10 and 12. These questions, take them as a homework, and remaining questions, total this exercise is having 14 questions. We have taken all the questions except 8, 10 and 12 questions. So as a homework you can complete it, and tomorrow we will discuss these questions also, and we will proceed with the last exercise, that is 12.3 exercise. So dear students, work hard. Thank you very much.